community, you are the lifeblood of bringing our community together between the schools and of course the community right over here. I mean, look at what people are going to look into now, a lively, beautiful garden. And this is so impressive, 7 elementary schools kicking off this effort. And I have to say, I think I've worked with all of them that are in my district anyway, getting these gardens off the ground. I remember when the Dr. Pepe Regan Garden, do you remember when that was first opened? That was so beautiful, and PS 87 has a wonderful garden picnic there every year. And 166 has an amazing garden. Where's 84? On the rooftop. Congratulations to PS 84 for the amazing work you've done for a decade, getting that together. Everyone here for years and years of work, because that's what it takes, is the whole community coming together, seeing the long run, seeing that this year's effort is good, and it's a first step to next year's effort. So I'm so excited to be here with the Garden Train D3, and I'm really looking forward to the May kickoff. That's going to be fun. Everyone's going to be there, right?
Yay!
Great, thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Helen. And I also wanted to invite our principal, Jane Murphy, to say a couple words as well, please.
Woo!
I want to say it's really about the most important thing that happens, in my opinion, is when I come out during the day and I see kids really leaning in and looking closely at plants. When I see kids with a little spade digging in the dirt, getting close to nature, understanding that they're part of the world and that the world is part of them. And I'm so grateful to Carla Sclafani for making it happen in our school. We know it takes a team, but it also takes the vision of a strong, committed mom.
Moms get it done.
Moms get, the busier the mom is, the more she gets done. Yep. You had an amazing team working with you. Of course, with our PTA president, Melissa Chu. Amazing teachers like Mikey Vishano. It's the community that makes this happen. So we were inspired by 84. We were inspired by all the other schools that got this done in front of us. I'm completely inspired by what you have gotten done so far and what will happen in the future. I know that our kids really benefit from all of this work. You can look around and see the joy and the happiness. And gosh, I guess I better shout out to some of the dads as well.
Dad's making a difference here today.
Families are really what drives this. Whether you live in this community or play in this community or school in this community, you have made us what we are. And I, for one, am very grateful. And I say thank you to our councilwomen for being here today and supporting us. Of course.
Thank you.
And I'm going to hand the mic back to Cara to keep the festivities going.